Hello, Hello everybody, and welcome to another Let's Play. I am playing Need for Speed the Run and trying to get past the helicopter on extreme, and it's pretty damn hard. The goddamn helicopter lets me go nowhere. Gonna see how many times I can get past this. Alright, let's do it. Holy crap.
1033, officer down on our cruise has been stolen. Roger that, what's it 20? About two blocks south of my car's location. Backup already on route, ETA 5 minutes.
Oh damn, there go the helicopter already.
Unit to the area, please respond.
Oh boy. No, do not jump in the spotlight. No! 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 Go! Go! Gotta get to the God! Oh my God! Really, helicopter? Oh shit! Oh my God! Like for real. Anybody want to try to give this a go and try to beat me at it? I'm probably gonna die when we get to the construction site again. Oh my God! No! Go! God! Jack, how come you didn't just pay them that money? No! Next time, Jack, pay them the damn money if we won't be in this situation. God damn it. Alright, go. No! Come! No! Oh my God! Shit! Oh shit! It's not fun. Oh my God! God damn it! Hard as hell. I'm a noob at this helicopter. Damn helicopter. Damn it. Damn. But all in all, I'm not scared of that helicopter. If I had a gun too, I would start shooting back at it. Hopefully I get past it this time. Hopefully. What the hell is it? Why is the hell we in the icy Rocky Mountains, damn it? Alright. Game changer. And there's a helicopter right above us.
Backup's already on route, ETA 5 minutes.
What the hell?
Possible setting southbound on Franklin. Unit to the area, please respond.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Bitch, go! Oh! God damn it! Oh, damn it! What is with him? What is with this? Alright, go to the side. Go! Go, Jack! Go! Stay over there! Go to the Go to the other side, damn it! They keep on killing me quickly. They're serious about their money. The hell? It's not fair that you get to chase me in a helicopter. It's not fair at all. Sweet God. Oh God, really? It's not fair at all. If anybody has any tips for me how to get past this stage, it is impossible. I had this game when it first came out.
33. Officer down, our cruise has been stolen. Roger that, what's in 20? About 2 blocks south of my current location. Backups already on route, ETA 5 minutes. Possible sighting South Meadows Franklin. Units in the area to be respond.
Alright. Round 3. Round 3. Go, 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 go. Shit! They were in the spotlight. Pull over to the other side. That was so close. Oh my God. Why are they shooting at me? God. I remember when we first started playing the game, we thought that was the police shooting at us. How dumb was we to think that was the police shooting at us? Alright. Get into the tunnel. Get into the tunnel. Go! Crossing that lane. Don't get in the damn spotlight! Go! Gonna fall. No, no, no! Alright, go. Ah! That was such a good attempt, too. Why you like the troll helicopter? Why? Damn it. Alright. Whoa. Looks like it's interception again. Ah! 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 Get under there, damn it! Go! Go! Alright, I got this. I got this. Now I got enough room to swerve. No, no. Yeah, bitch. Can you hit me now, bitch? Yeah. Can you hit me now, bitch? Can you hit me now, bitch? Oh, that was the Come on. Go, go, go. I swear to God, if he shoots me down. Oh God, I can hear him above. No, no, no. Come on, Jack, we can do this. No, I'm almost there. Get to the end of the damn place. Drive west. Oh, damn. head. Wake your ass up. Well, looks like we woke up in this kind of position. What the heck? Uh-oh. Train. Let's get the hell out of here. Who tells me my ass? And thanks for watching this episode, everybody. And I will see you in the next video. Matter of fact, let's look at my rewards first of all. Ooh, driver level up. I have reached driver level 35. And I've got to see to this is. Let's get the hell out of here.